Congratulations! You have made it to the last level of division. You are almost a division master. You're so close. So let's take a look at what this level has in store for you, and you'll become a master of division. So in division word problems, we see these keywords: divide, equally, and shares. That lets us know that we need to do some division. So let's take a look at these problems. Thomas has 36 stickers. He keeps 6 for himself and shares the rest equally between 5 friends. How many stickers did each friend get? So he starts off with 36. He keeps 6 for himself and then shares the rest equally between 5 friends. How many stickers did each friend get? So let's start here. I've got a lot of numbers here. So I know he starts out with 36. And then he keeps 6 for himself. So let's figure out what he decided to share. So that means we're going to do 36 minus 6, and that gets us 30. And then he takes this 30, the rest of his stickers, and he decides to share them between his 5 friends. So 30 shares equally means I need to divide between 5 friends. So there's my division problem. You could sit here and draw out 5 circles, count to 30, and see what's in one circle, but you've become a master enough to know that 30 divided by 5 is 6, because 6 times 5 is 30. So each friend gets 6 stickers. Let's try that again. Jeremy has 50 M&Ms. He eats 10 M&Ms and shares the rest equally between 8 friends. How many M&Ms did each friend get? So he starts out with 50 M&Ms. Then he eats 10 M&Ms and shares the rest equally between 8 friends. So once again, he starts out with 50. He keeps 10 for himself. He eats them. So 50 minus 10 gets us 40. And then the rest is 40. So he takes this 40 and shares them equally between 8 friends. So 40 shares equally means divide between 8 friends. And there's my problem. 40 divided by 8 is 5. I could sit there and draw my 8 circles, count to 40, but I know that 8 times 5 is 40, so 40 divided by 8 is 5. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Kyrie goes to the store with $20. She sees a bag of candy costs $4 each. How many bags of candy can she buy with her $20? Okay, so she has $20 in her pocket, and each bag of candy costs $4 each. So how many of these $4 candy bags can she buy? So let's draw a bag of candy. This costs $4. This costs $4. So she could go buy this one. She spent $4. Go buy another one. Spent $4. So that's only 8. So she still has more money. Another $4. So I'm just doing some repeated addition in my brain here. I'm just doing some multiplication. 4 plus 4 gets us 8, plus another 4 is 12. So she still has money left over. Plus another 4 would be 16. Plus one more 4 would be 20. So there's 5 bags of candy, and they each cost $4, and that gets her to 20. Or just look at it this way. She has $20. She's going to divide it by 4. She's going to chunk her money up into $4 chunks, and it's just 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5, which is what we got here with the repeated addition. So go either way. You see she starts out with 20. She wants to spend $4 at a time, and so she's dividing $20 into 4 chunks, or into 4 chunk pieces, and gets 5 as her answer. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Let's try that again with this one. Ashlyn goes to the store with $12. She sees that a bag of candy costs $2 each. How many bags of candy can she buy with her $12? So we can do this again. $12 each costs $2. And I know each is a multiplication keyword, but in this case, we're trying to figure out, we're doing the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So she starts out with 12, and each time she goes to buy a candy bag, it costs $2. So she's dividing her money equally. And so each time 12 divided by 2 gets us 6. So she can buy 6 bags of candy. So let's try that. So this bag of candy costs 2. This bag costs 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Keep going. Let's just double check we got it right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So each bag cost $2, and she was able to buy 6 bags of candy. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Go and conquer this level, and you'll do great. Thanks for watching.